I've had a lot of questions from some folks about the difference between our double wall mini and double wall maxi. Here I can show you the difference physically between the two. This is our double wall mini with two 15-watt RGBWs, and of course this has a total of 6, the maxi. And biggest difference, I'm going to try and show you the height difference. Actually, the double wall maxi is a bit shorter than the mini, a little more circumference to be able to add the electronics. Whereas here they have to go higher to add the electronics. Both use the 2.4 gigahertz RF remote or can be operated via wireless DMX. Wonderful lights, again, 3 times the output obviously. This with 2 RGBWs, this with 6 RGBWs. Amazing lights. This is for a larger venue with taller ceilings. This, of course, you've seen this in action in other videos that we've shot and placed on the web and Facebook. There's a little smaller ceiling, maybe a 12-foot high ceiling. This can go 30, 50-foot ceilings with ease. Both have the same functionality, just more output from its bigger brother, the double wall maxi. They both come in black as well, a jet black, and then of course this alpine white color. Permanent install, great for wedding venues, museums, art galleries, restaurants, you name it. A lot of opportunity here for planners and venues. Very, very neat light here, folks.